Hi everyone, my name is Akshata S. Patil, pursuing B.Ed 4th semester in Kerala Society's YG Kulgude College of Education, Athani. Guidance Professor A.M. Sonigi. We will study about remedial teaching. Contents: Introduction, Meaning, Definitions, Objectives, Principles, Steps, Advantages, Disadvantages, and Conclusion. Let's see one by one. Remedial teaching. Introduction. Remedial teaching is identifying slow learners and providing them with the necessary help and guidance to help them to overcome their problems after identifying their problem areas of difficulty. Remedial instruction involves using individualized teaching of students who are experiencing difficulties in specific subject areas. Meaning of remedial teaching: to remedy means to cure against a defect. The teaching done for the student who could achieve the expected objective is called as remedial teaching, or remedial teaching means improvement in learning. It provides instructional creativeness. Definitions of remedial teaching. According to Bill O., remedial teaching is a moral building and an interest building enterprise for the students. And according to Yokman and Simpson, the purpose of remedial teaching is the development of effective techniques for the correction of errors in all types of learning. Objectives of remedial teaching. Remedial teaching is to give additional helps to the pupil who for one reason or another to help children with learning difficulties having the same psychological needs and characteristics as other children, to guide some children who are less able to organize their preparation to comprehend abstract ideas and concepts, to overcome the learning difficulties of pupils. Principles of remedial teaching. Teaching preparation. Before preparing for their lessons, remedial teachers should identify pupils' diverse learning needs as soon as possible so that they may design appropriate teaching plans to facilitate pupils' effective learning. Devise various learning activities. The teacher must devise different learning activities with the same teaching objectives to develop pupil varied abilities and skills in problem solving. Design meaningful learning situation. Remedial teachers should specifically design meaningful learning situations, language environment, games or activities so as to provide personal teaching experiences for pupils and stimulate their interest and initiative in learning. Provide clear instructions. Remedial teachers should give pupils short and clear instructions to avoid confusion. They must explain clearly the arrangement of each learning activity. Summarize the main points. At the course of teaching, teachers should always sum up the main points in teaching and write the key phrases on the board to enhance pupils' audio and visual memories. Steps of remedial teaching: teach, review, test for weaknesses wherever they appear, follow with remedial drill units on the specific weaknesses revealed by the tests. Advantages of remedial teaching: it provides basic skills training, flexible instructional pace, and flexible class participation, elimination of barriers of time and space. It provides reinforcement for struggling students. It helps the students who are experiencing difficulties in specific subject areas. Disadvantages of remedial teaching: it delays feedback from the instructor, lack of self regulation and self motivation, unavailable technical support from the instructor. A poorly designed course interface makes students feel lost in seeking information. It is hard to support teachers in remedial settings. Thank Conclusion: remedial teaching is one meant to improve a learning skill or certify a problem area. It might be taught individually or in groups and targets academic weaknesses that potentially hinder learning. The benefits of remedial teaching can include forming the foundation for learning a subject in greater detail. Thank you.